In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. Start by opening your charts. Choose the market and time frame you want to trade, and make sure your chart is clear and zoomed to a comfortable level so you can see current price action. This context helps you pick levels that make sense for your strategy, whether you are trading intraday moves or longer swings. Next, open the order panel. You can do this by clicking directly on the price scale or by pressing the buy or sell button on the chart. Either action brings up the order ticket, where you define everything about your order. The panel usually appears on the right side, giving you a snapshot of order type, quantity, and most importantly, for today, your stop loss and take profit controls. Inside the order ticket, activate your stop loss and take profit. Simply check the boxes labeled stop loss and take profit. Turning these on tells Tradingview to attach exit instructions to your order, so the platform can automatically close the position if price reaches those levels. The stop loss is there to cap your downside, while the take profit captures gains at your chosen target. Now input your levels. You have two straightforward options. You can type in the exact prices where you want your stop and target to trigger, which is ideal if you've already identified key support, resistance, or a specific entry plan. Or, you can set the distance using ticks, currency, or percentage. Ticks measure minimum price increments. Currency reflects how much you are willing to risk or aim to make in your account's denomination. And percentage bases the distance on your entry price. Choose whichever makes it easiest to align with your risk and reward guidelines. As you enter values, keep an eye on the preview so the numbers match your intention. Finally, place the order. Submit it from the order ticket and Tradingview will show your stop loss and take profit lines right on the chart. These horizontal lines mirror the prices or distances you set, giving you an immediate visual of your downside and upside relative to your entry. It's a clean, reliable way to trade your plan without reacting emotionally. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.